What's up, guys? It's your boy Michael Five. Welcome back to another video. Um, this I will officially announce my retirement of Cooking Fever for now. After this video, we'll eventually come back to it, but not right now. But yeah, welcome back, guys. It's your boy Michael Five. If you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell. Love y'all. Thank you for the support. I appreciate it. And yeah, we're just gonna hop into this. We are going to do levels 15 through 17. Yeah, that's all that's going on today. But yeah. Thank you for all the support y'all gave me through the series. I really appreciate it, and it really means a lot. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna do levels 15 through 17, and yeah, hope y'all had a great day. Yeah, have a great day at school. Had a great day at work or anything. I don't know. But yeah. So I'm gonna keep on doing this. Okay. Why did we not get? Okay. I'm confused why we didn't get. Oh, I maybe missed something. I don't know. Alright, so we have $1,100 pretty much. Let's go back into our little upgrade thing. We need to upgrade that though. Right now, we should do we could just do the hamburger buns and the tomatoes. Alright, so after the next level, then we're gonna wrap it up. But yeah, so as I always say, there's not gonna be that much commentary because I mostly don't know what to say. Don't know why, just don't know what to say. But yeah. Yeah, speaking about the end of the series for now, I don't know what game we're playing next. I didn't plan it, but I'll look over some games, see what we can play. Okay. I'm gonna put these. Alright. Why is he not accepting it? Oh, there's no bun. Not bun, there's no meat. Oh, man. Alright. Alright, we need to get all this. Alright, good. Alright, so I hope y'all really enjoyed this series, because I've seen a lot of good support on it. And yeah. But we are still gonna keep on doing this. Let's go. Limited time. Yes, let's unlock this. This ain't the best. This ain't literally the best. Because it automatically cooks for you. When are we gonna get the deep fryer? We need the deep fryer. Oh my gosh, this thing helps out so much. And it doesn't burn it. That's the best part. Dang. Just took that down. Alright. So this is the last level that we're gonna play for now. But yeah. Let's just keep on cooking, because nobody is gonna stop me from cooking in my wonderful, great automatic cooking machine kitchen. I don't know what that name was, but I just came up with it. Nearly done here. Alright. That was good. Alright, I'm gonna upgrade. But we don't really need to upgrade if I'm being completely honest. Yeah, let's get the thing, the deep fryer at least. Alright guys, hope y'all enjoyed that. Hope y'all enjoyed this series that gone on, but like they say, all things must come to an end. Alright, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Even if you're not new, you still have to do it. Even Mr. B said it. So I'll catch y'all guys in the next one. Peace.